Hey guys, our weekend getaway started, and after 7 hours of drive from New York City, we reached at Niagara Falls. The first thing we decided to do is Made of the Mist experience, and here we are. We took the tickets. Ticket was $25 something each person, and we were going to the ferry. So these are kind of raincoats they give you at the beginning of the ferry ride, and yeah, look, everyone is wearing that. So this is the Made of the Mist ferry, which has 2 levels, lower level and upper level. So we definitely wanted to be on the upper level, which is open and a better view. It's better to reach before time, and here it started. Oh my god. Also, you can just see now the people over there, those are Cave of the Winds. That is another experience. We couldn't do it because of the less time, but I also recommend that. Oh my god! That's CNN Tower. That's all Canada over there. Oh, so huge. Alright, so I just wanted to show you this. This is how they do it of Made of the Mist. They stop there for a few minutes so that you can experience the huge waterfalls, and it was breathtaking. Next destination, we reached Three Sisters Island, which is like almost 10 or 15 minutes drive. No, not that much, just 5 minutes drive from there. And yeah, it's just like a little island with water flowing underneath. That's it. this is light show in night time.
Right here.
बड़ा कर रहा देख रहा हूँ मैं। यहाँ से ओके, यहाँ से ओ वाला हबीबी।
Alright, after a fun weekend, we are back to New York City. This is such a view, and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Much love. Mwah.